Hello everyone, welcome to this React tutorial. In this video we are going to see how to add style inside our JS file. In the last video we have seen how to add style with the help of class name, and we have given a class name first to our h1 tag in our JS file, and then we have created a file named styles.css. In that I have given some CSS code. So our app currently looks somewhat like this. Okay, we are rendering hello React welcome to style tag, which is inside our h1, and it is in green yellow color, and its text align is center. Alright, so now today in this video we are going to see how to add style inside our JS file. Alright guys, if we look at something, the styles in the styles.css file, then we can see here it is color and its value is given. So it looks something like color key value pair, means like we are giving a property and giving its value. So we can give these things inside an object. Like in JS we can create an object, and inside we can add this key value pair. So let's create a object. So for creating an object, I am creating here a constant object, const styles. Alright, I am giving its name as styles, and I am giving it value. Like I want its color, color color, to be red. But now we are going to add red inside our double quotes. So now we can express this as a string. So I will add this a red color. Alright guys, so I have given a string named red, which is the property of the color, which is the value for color. So now you can see this is a key value pair. Alright guys, so now let's add this style inside our h1 tag. For first, let me remove this class name. Okay, now let me save this for you and show you how it currently looks. Okay, no problem. So see, now you can see it looks something like this, and this warning you can see here, it is because I have initialized this style but I have not used. So it is telling me that only, like styles is assigned a value but never used. So for adding this style, we can give something. There is a property in HTML named style. So I can give style, and I have to give styles, the keyword, the variable which we have created. But if we will give it directly styles, then it is not going to work, because this syntax is of JSX, and adding any JavaScript, we have to add any JavaScript inside this parenthesis. So we will give styles. So if now I will save it, then it is compiled successfully, and you can see this, it is in red color. Alright, so now let's add some more property. So in object, every property is separated by a comma, and now I will give the text align. Alright, so you can see something like this. Text align property is there, but here it is separated by a minus sign, and it is showing an unexpected token. So this is JSX. So in this we can give this property inside double quotes. Like I can give this inside double quotes, then it is fine, or else I have to change the syntax somewhat like this. Like I have to remove this minus sign and give this in camel case, text align center. Alright, I will save it, and you can see here hello React welcome to style tag, it is rendered. So now I will show you how it looks when I am giving the previous tag. Like you can see this is text align. Now I will put this inside quotation, and I will give it center and save it. So see, it is compiled successfully, and nothing will be changed because the property is same. Alright guys, so guys, I hope you now understand how this new way of creating an inline style is made. But there is one more way of creating this inline style. Like I don't want to use this style tag, means like a variable, and I want to give this style. So just I have to remove this, and I want styles inside this. So if I will copy this, cut it and paste here. So now this style you can see here, but it is showing error. Like here you can see, let me indent it properly. style. Alright, so now you can see here it is showing error. So why this error is because as we know, this is JavaScript, like this is a JavaScript object and we are giving it inside curly braces, so it is an object, but it is also JavaScript, so we have to give it inside another curly brace, then only it will be in proper syntax. So now see, it has become in proper syntax, and now when we will save it, then it is compiled successfully and the same will be rendered. So let me just change the color to green and save it, and now see, it is displayed in green color. So I hope you now understand how to add style, various different ways of adding style inside our React app. In the next video we are going to see what is JSX, and we are also going to discuss some fancy keywords like Babel and Webpack. Thank you for watching my videos.